Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while now, guys. I've not uploaded video for a very long time now, although I have been uploading shorts, but now I am back. I'm going to be making a beautiful video for you guys. Today I'm getting ready to go to work now. This is get ready with me vlog. I'm going to be taking care of myself, you know. I'm going to be toning my skin today. I'm using simple soothing toner. I'm just going to use this to wipe my face. I went to Nigeria. That is my home country, in Nigeria. I went to Nigeria beginning of this month, and I just came back. And because I was on holiday, so today is, you know, back to work day. So I'm just getting ready to go to work now. Today is your first time on this channel. Welcome to the family. My name is Billy. This is Homemaking with Billy. On this channel, I will bring to you different contents. I bring to you vlog, cooking, you know, shopping, things that I buy. I do like share it with my viewers. I want to know if there's anything in particular that you like to see on this channel. I'll try my best to upload it. So now I'm going to be using this Albazinian oil. I don't know if you can see Albazinian oil. This is very natural. It's very good. You get rid of lines. I'm going to go under my face cream. So next I'm using number 7 Radiance. That's it, number 7 Radiance. I've been using this cream for a while now. Actually, I love it. It's very good for my skin. Sorry if this video is dark. I'm in the room, although I put on the light, but I don't know whether it's clear or not, but well, I can see myself. So lastly, I'm going to put in this Helio Care sunscreen protection. This is 50. This is 50. This is very high. Sunscreen protection. It helps with pigmentation, blemishes, and sunburn. So guys, I'm back to my makeup. This is my makeup bag. I've got all these junks there. These are my makeup, and this one is here as well. I'm just going to put a little bit of foundation, you know, to make my face a little bit more maybe nicer. I don't know, but these are my makeup junks. I'm just going to apply a little bit of foundation on my face. I'm going to apply a little bit of foundation. I'm using this Hello Happy. This is not my color actually. I think I use number 8, but this is number 9. This one is a little bit dark, but well, I'm still gonna use it like that. I'm going to put a little bit on this brush. Don't need that much because it's summer, so it's warm. Don't really need much foundation because it's going to be oily and I don't like it. So I'm going to apply just a little on my face. Look, I'm just going to put a little bit of concealer. I'm using the 10. I use different brands. That's me. So I'm just going to dab it on my eye there, and my forehead, on my nose line here. I'm just going to blend it with my blender. This is my blender. With my blender, I need to change this my blender. I need to change it. What brand are you using? I want to know. Can you leave it on the comment section? Maybe I might try it out. Here's my makeup brush. I'm just going to use this brush to smooth in my foundation. My eye pencil. Okay. Just going to use this. It's finished anyway. It's mascara, but it's finished. There's nothing there anymore, but I just use it to brush my eyebrow. Just brush it. There's nothing there actually, but I use the brush to brush my eyebrow. I'm done. That's it. So this is my mascara. I got this from Body Shop. So I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara. A little bit of mascara will not cause any harm. So I'm going to apply a little bit of mascara on my lashes. On my lashes. Okay, I can't even really see anything, but that's it for me. I'm gonna put this purple lip balm. I also got this from Body Shop. Just going to hold my hair. Hold my hair. Hold my hair. Just brush here my edges. I'm going to put my earrings. I love this earring, they are really comfortable. Okay guys, see you in a bit. So hi guys, I'm back in the kitchen. I'm just going to be making a semolina for lunch for my children as I go to work. I'm going to show you how I make my semolina, perfect semolina. Before I go into that, I'm going to show you the egusi soup that I made this morning. Look at that, how rich is that? It's so nice. I made this, all the ingredients that I used in making this egusi, I brought it back from Nigeria, so that is why you see this rich egusi soup. Here I'm going to make the semolina that is going to go with this beautiful, delicious, yummy egusi soup. Semolina, I'm going to be using this cypressa semolina. It's not that smooth, but well, this is the one that I use. It's good. I'm going to pour a little bit of. I'm going to put a little bit of this semolina here. I'm going to add cold water and turn it into paste, and I will be adding it into the boiled water. That's how I make my semolina. So I'm going to add water like that. I'm just going to use my spatula to mix it. Turning stick, I should say. Just mix it like that. And this, I'll transfer it into the boiled water. My boiled water is boiling again, so I'm going to transfer in this semolina paste. Look at that. It's going to go in there. This method is really easy and simple. It allows your semolina to cook properly. I'm going to allow this to stay for a little while until I'll bring it to boil. So here is my semolina. Look at that. It's getting thicker. So I'm going to start adding the semolina powder now. I'm just going to add semolina powder to turn. If you have used this method before, let me know on the comment section. Which one do you think is fast and better? So look at my semolina. I'm going to turn it, and I'll be adding a little bit of boiled water and cover it to cook a little bit. Then I'll give it a final turn. Do you think this method is quicker and better, or do you think the normal way of making the traditional kind of semolina? This is the way I make my semolina. It's quick and easy for me. I'm going to add a little bit of hot water. I'll bring it to boil, then I'll give it the final turn. So look at that, the water is already boiling. So now I'm going to give it a final turn. It's cooked properly now. Look at that, it's so soft. This method is really quick and easy. Look at that, my semolina is now ready. I'm just going to cut it, serve it on the plate. Look at that. Very soft and smooth. Serve. Here's my semolina, it's now ready. It tastes delicious and yummy. If you like this video, don't forget to give me thumbs up. I really appreciate it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. Goodbye.